Hey, good morning, my friends. This is MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa. Update for you on the weather, and it includes two things: where the areas of heavy lake effect will be today, and then we already have another Alberta Clipper fast approaching, and the change in data overnight gradually has now showed that every model is showing a nice little 2 to 4 inch snow in southern Michigan. Hey, good morning, David Rose. Catching any fish in northern Michigan still? Or are you in between ice fishing and regular boat fishing? All right, so let's get to it and talk about those two snows on the way. This is the area where there are winter storm warnings in effect. Southwest Michigan along the shoreline up toward Traverse City, and then again across Marquette and east of Marquette. Hey, good morning, David from Jackson. Now, I do want to emphasize that this is lake effect, okay? So it's isolated, small-scale, heavy bands. So you will be, actually, this is a losing situation for a meteorologist because most of this area will not get very heavy snow. There will be 4 or 5 strips in here that will get snow. Missy says lake effect isn't real snow, just saying. Yes, it is real snow. It's just if you live from here eastward, you hate hearing about lake effect because you never get the snow. There is a winter storm watch, by the way, for Huron County due to cold winds. Yeah, waiting for safe ice, says David Rose in northern Michigan. What's the first lake in northern Michigan that you usually find safe ice on, ice fisher people? Because I know a lot of ladies like to ice fish too. All right, so current radar showing how the lake effect is evolving. Again, it's in bands. When you see a band like this, it's pretty heavy snow, Leelanau County into Grand Traverse County, and also southwest lower Michigan. Right now, Ludington, hard to tell. I do want to point something out for you, that this area right in here can have snow like crazy, and you're looking at the radar and saying, nothing's showing up. The reason why, here's a radar here, beams going up as it comes out. It's 15,000 feet out here. Hey, good morning, Danielle Engel from Traverse City. And another radar here in Grand Rapids going out. It's 10, 15,000 feet. And lake effect is a low elevation precipitation. So sometimes it's snowing like crazy here and you don't see it at all. There was a good report about driving from, let's see, drove from Rothbury to Grand Rapids, not bad. Once out of Muskegon, we'll see what the day brings though, yes. And we do anticipate that this situation will just kind of keep going. All right, as far as snowfall last night, Farmington Hills, 4.7 inches. Heaviest yesterday, Ann Arbor, 5.6 inches of snow. So generally it was about a 2 to 3 inch snow with a few spots, 4 to 5 inches. Hey, David Rose, he's a good fisherman. He says, near my home it's Spider Lake or Lake Arbutus that usually gets safe ice first. Little Glen Lake too. Hey, that sounds like a good time. Little Lake Glen. Put me down for that one. Here is the radar forecast for today. And you could see a dominant band of lake effect developing. Again, I want to emphasize relatively small aerial coverage, but hitting hard where it hits. Comes into Ludington or around Ludington and Manistee. And then we get the bands of lake effect. So that's what it is for today, is lake effect snow. Now, here's the snowfall forecast for today. And I don't think it's really a great way to look at how much snow is going to fall, but it is a good way to see where the heaviest will fall. This is about a 3 to 6 inch area in the southwest, 3 to 6 from Manistee to eastern part of Mason County, up around Traverse City, up around Marquette. So again, if you could stay inland, you are going to be A-OK today. Now, here comes the next Alberta Clipper. Here's a radar forecast, and we're going into late today and now into tomorrow. And here it comes, right across Michigan, almost like we have a bullseye on our state for these Alberta Clippers, and that is midnight Wednesday night. So basically what you're seeing is a fast-moving Alberta Clipper that's going to come across the area tomorrow, probably starting in the morning, 8, 9, 10 o'clock, and going into the afternoon. And snowfall totals pretty consistent off of this next Alberta Clipper. You can see it's in about the southern half of lower Michigan, and 2 to 4 inches. And bear in mind that this still can shift northward 25 miles, southward 25 miles, go up or down an inch or two. But point being is, it looks like tomorrow we have another snow across Michigan. So there you have it. Today it's cold on the east side of the state, heavy lake effect snow in spots on the west side of the state, and then another Alberta Clipper with widespread snow in the southern half of lower Michigan. Not a huge snowstorm, but these are fluffy snows, and it will have a TDI, a Torre Grossa drifting index, because it's light snow at a cold temperature. Well, I should say lightweight snow that can blow around at a cold temperature. We'll keep you updated on that on MLive. Make sure you tell folks about how MLive is covering the winter weather. We answer your questions if we can, and stay tuned on MLive. Have a great day.